the navigation went out. Everything was blinking in the car. See if we can't get it to do. Okay, so service Stabilitrak has come on now. Been driving a few more minutes since everything just blanked out on the screen and I lost power. Power came back before we stopped. Alright, it frequently happens whenever I change lanes. So here's right turn signal. See the nav cuts out, comes back on. And here's left turn signal. Same thing, nav cuts out, comes back on. Here's hazards. Nav cuts out, comes back on. Here's the lights going on. Okay, that was the doors locking and unlocking. My Stabilitrak light has gone off.
So is the dash.
The dash is off now, and it's looks like the nav is staying off. Oh, doors are locking again, and the transmission is surging. Gonna turn the lights back to off. My nav is still off. And the doors just locked and unlocked. The dash is going crazy. Nav is back on now. Try the lights one more time. Okay, the lights are on. Nothing bad happened that time. Turn the lights back off. And the nav just went off by itself that time. Oh, there go the doors. The dash is going crazy. Look at that. Doors locking, unlocking. Car is lurching. Dash just came back. Okay, we may be dying here. Nav just, it was cut off and just came back on. Car is being very unreliable now.